Hi everyone, Namaste. This is Arun here. Welcome to the UOB live broadcast. We, as Dahua Asset Management, is a leading global professional company, has always been committed to enhance the experience of all investors. And the most important, all investors become richer. Currently, all top rich people, how are they manage their wealth? My friend, you're able to see from the slide, there are 8 types of the way of wealth management. We have trade, profit, financial planning, cash, economy, assets, money, and the most important, investment. We're gonna share you here how to make investment to make more money from that. And this is the fastest and the most efficient way to become rich. Investment firms have a higher level of services than normal customer or normal company, like customer service, product supply, and sales staff. In the recent year, with the increase of rich investors, the demand for complicated financial solution and expert knowledge also increasing among worldwide. Most of the time, all those rich people have their own businesses. Usually, they need to spend a lot of time at work. Most of them do not have much time to manage their huge assets. They will let professional investment company take care of it. And this is a very good idea and choice, and a very common choices for those rich people. In order to avoid higher taxes, most of the rich put their huge assets to professional investment firm to take care of it. Benjamin Franklin said, "Our new constitution is now established. Everything seems to promise will be durable. But in this world, nothing is certain except death and taxes." In the simple meaning, there are 2 things in world cannot avoid, which is death and taxes. Shh, let's talk it secretly. In fact, on this planet, 99 of 100 of rich people is doing tax evasion. And the last one is studying how to do it. For example, from 2014 until 2015, in this 5-year period, total of 25 billionaire wealth, they are already increased by the amount of 401 billion. But the tax they're going to pay is only 13.6 billion. Just look at the figure, you do not feel any special. But in calculate in the actual tax rate, you'll find amazing facts. 3.4%. They only pay the tax amount. Tax rate is 3.4%. Can you imagine of it? Maybe some of my friends no idea about United States income tax. Let me share to you. If annual income more than 70,000 for middle class families, they are required to pay 14% of the federal taxes. Annual income which more than 620,000 income, they need to pay. Income tax rate is as high as 37%. But all those billionaires, they only pay 3.4%. This is to say, the Robin Hood tax policy, it had made the wealth gap between rich and poor people even bigger. Let me tell you another real fact. In 2018, these 25 business tycoon, total of their market capital of $1.1 trillion. This is equal to the payroll of total 14.3 million of normal American staff salary. Next on, this is the slide about all those billionaires and their wealth growth and their true tax rate. First one, Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, and also the top 7 richest people in the world, also told investors to hold their stock long term. This is not only his investment strategy, it is also his magic of tax avoidance. Donald Trump, the previous president of United States, using the celebrity to invest high-risk business and then use those losses to the business tax. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla Motors, in 2015, he paid tax $68,000. 2016, he paid tax $65,000. But in 2018, he did not pay even a penny for tax. In recent years, many super rich choose to set up charity trust fund while using the name of charity to donate their funds to the foundation. This kind of foundation is neither a listed company, private property, or non-profit organization. There is no need to disclose any financial statement to the world. Besides that, actual process of the foundation is not open to the public at all. Most of the time, the foundation run by the children in general in order to avoid high taxes, such as Rockefeller Family Charity Foundation. They are using the name of charity to escape a huge tax, paying their higher with form of dividends. United States implement a progressive tax system. The higher the income, the higher the tax rate. Although there are some tax breaks, but there are income caps. Exceeding the upper limit will lose waiver, but the tax rate of US super rich always not high. How they do the tax avoidance by legal way. And please take note, tax avoidance is not tax evasion. They are using legal way to achieve the purpose of pay less or not to pay taxes. My friend, any idea what is cryptocurrency? Any idea who know what is Bitcoin? Let me share to you. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset to work as a media of exchange and not exist in physical form like paper money. This currency also not issued by any central authorization. And the Bitcoin is first released cryptocurrency in 2019. In economy, there's a term high risk, high return. I repeat again, high risk, high return. Many people become millionaires because of this, but also many people bankruptcy because of this. Many financial products facing unsure return. Stable profits is very important. We, Dahua Assets Management, is very strong on this. Many people become rich in a night because of cryptocurrency. And many people because of this become poor, even bankruptcy. The leader of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, the highest already increased to 60,000 US dollar per coin. But now it's far from the peak. Right now it's about 34,000 US dollar. Let's come on. Mr. Elon Musk, the person I mentioned before, the CEO of Tesla Motors, from Forbes, right now, year 2021. He's the second richest billionaire in the world with net worth of 151 billion US dollar. let's talk about the story about Dogecoin. On April 28 this year, the Tesla electronic music king, Emperor of Mars, Elon Musk, he tweeted that will host May at popular NBC late night show, Saturday Night Live, SNL. And in this article tweets, himself will be known as Godfather of Currency Dog, or the Doggy Father. Shortly after the tweet, Dogecoin, which the coin I'm going to point you right now, is here. Let me show you. This one. Dogecoin is short-term rising. It rising 21% in short term. The price was rushed up to 34 cents. In every Elon Musk tweet about Dogecoin, will happen a big rise. Normally we call this cyber carnival. It is just a big superstar call on stage and the fans screaming and wave so hard. In the tweet below, every time Elon Musk tweet will cause a beast mass hot call in a single stage. Waving the screaming fan below. They will scream this term. I show you right now. Dogecoin head to the moon. I repeat again. Dogecoin head to the moon. But next on 5th of May, the Dogecoin rise again. In 24 hours, have rising total of 56%, break the highest history record. If calculated by 0.004662 per US dollar in the early year, the increment of Dogecoin is go up to, let you guys guess, how much? 130 times. But the ridiculous is, the skyrocketing increasing of Dogecoin was born in a joke. The founder of Dogecoin wanna make fun of Bitcoin investment environment. So he using the dog head as the icon of the coin. But this joke become bigger and bigger, and he able to attract Elon Musk to their platform. Non-stop bring Dogecoin to the next level. How about now? This is not a good price. Most of the experts predict Dogecoin is totally worthless. It doesn't matter how much the value is. The important result is the majority of the people involved will eventually live with disappointment. Financial game always like that. My friend, all investment product having risks. Stock market also contain huge risks. System risk is the risk linked with the overall stock market. Factors affecting the entire market may include economic growth, recession, inflation, interest rate and currency fluctuation. Strong potential stock tend to lead the market up in the rally, but when fall, it will have a great fall. 2020, COVID-19 epidemic explode. The whole world leading stock market, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, had a huge decline in many stocks due to lack of liquidity, falling like a waterfall. Of course, the rebound is also very fierce, but not all of the investors who able to profit in such way. Many people make money through this, and there's a lot of people having big loss. Investment like this is not stable at all. Next one, how to minimize the risk. But us, Dahua Asset Management, not only minimize, we are confident to promise that we're able to make the risk become zero. I repeat again, become zero. Such a huge fluctuation and changes will cause so many people wealth missing. Investment is a long-term undertaking. Steady increasing process is very important. 100% of stable profitability. Not all investment company able to do that. We, Dahua, doing very good on this. Through this core technology, professional service model, a strong management to be able to achieve what? Listen carefully, achieve what? Stable profit every day. Why? I show you a few of our weapon. The first one, our major team first weapon, quantitative trading. Quantitative trading is use an advanced mathematical model replace human subjective decision to use computer technology from the huge historical data can risk assess return of more high probability to develop strong and stable strategies, greatly reducing investor impact of fluctuation in the market and to avoid not stable and overheat decision. Quantitative usually tests through simulation with a huge amount of data and analog operation, and the position capital based on certain risk management, minimize the risk and maximize the revenue. From the point of view of the global market, according to the size of asset management, in 2020, the world top 6 investment agency rely on computer technology to carry out the investment decision. And when enter 2021, all of the agency using the quantitative and program trading for further expanding their size of fund management. This is one of the best way to become richer. The second weapon, big data analysis. In this page, do you able to see the big data? This slide is also test whether you are the color blind or not. Big data analytic is the use of advanced analytic technique against very large, multiple peak data set and also included structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data from different resources and different sizes from terabyte until zettabyte. What is big data actually? It can be defined as data set whose size to beyond the ability of the traditional relation databases to capture, manage and process the data with low latency. Characteristic of big data including 3 types, which is high volume, high velocity, and high variety. Sources of data are becoming more complex than for traditional data because they are being driven by artificial intelligence, which we call AI most of the time. Mobile services, social media, and the Internet of Things. For example, the different type of data origin from sensors, devices, video or audio, networks, log files, transaction application, web and social media. This is so much of it generated in real time and at a very large scale. With big and data analytics, you can automate the field better and faster decision making, modeling and predicting of future outcome, and enhance the business intelligence. Part 3, getting profit daily using compound interest. How to use compound interest? Don't worry, I will show it later. Everyone have a secret weapon, a huge secret weapon. Think about scale of kryptonite that designed to bring down Superman. Now we are talking about compound interest. And yes, compound interest is so powerful, like a kryptonite. Even Albert Einstein also said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. We all know he's a smart man. Now let's get started. What is compound interest? Your interest earned through saving or investment. Your interest earned through saving or investment. Compounding is when you earn money from saving or investment in interest, and the interest you earn from interest again. This is your money to make more money. Over the time, this is one of the best way to getting your money become more. If you keep your cash under the mattress, your money cannot earn more than that. The value of all your cash will keep decreasing due to inflation. You think about it. With 100 rupees, let's compare to 20 years before and now. Right now, you can just only buy one McDonald's burger. The sooner you put your money into investment, the more money you can get in the future. My friend, heard let your money work for you? In a simple way, this is an effect of compound interest. This is your money spending time to make more money. Compound interest can increase your wealth because it is earning the interest from the interest which is already in your hand. This concept applies not only to save in your bank account, but also return income from your investment. Investment is one of the most powerful things you can do for long term to become rich. Let's see this chart. Here is an example how to increase the power of compound interest in your investment. Let's say you invest 100,000 today. After 20 years, assuming the annual return of 7% from your initial investment, you will get more than triple, which is 386,968. In simple, your investment already grow by compound interest. By keeping your investment plan unchanged, your investment portfolio income is reinvested. Your capital and compound interest had increased. However, if you remove the interest from investment instead of reinvest every year, or in other way, you take out the interest. Let's say you invest 100,000 and you can get a stable 7,000 per year only. So you will get in the end of 20 years, you will get only 240,000, which you increase total of 140,000. If you let the magic of compound interest to play, you will able to get profit up to 286,968. Now you can see the difference between 380,000 to 140,000. How to make compound interest work for you? To get benefit of compound interest, keep in mind, time is your best friend. The earlier you start investing, your money will become more faster. Here is another example. Let's see our two friends, Jack and Jill. Jack start investment at age of 25 years old, and he do investment 20,000 every year for total of 10 years. And After that, he stopped putting more investment after 34 years old. And he used all the capital for another 30 years. Oh, then next one, we go to Jill. Jill do the investment later. She start the investment at the age of 35. And she investing 20,000 every year and keep doing it for 30 years. My friend, let's give you a guess. Who will become richer after retirement? I believe this chart already show who are richer after the retirement. You can see from here. Jack get 2.25 million in the age of after the age of 60 years old. And Jill, she get 2.02 million only. Jack only invests for 10 years, but in the result, he get more than Jill. Although total investment amount of Jill is more than Jack $400,000. From the time, you can also see on the chart, the trend becomes steeper. You can see here. The trend becomes steeper. This reflects how compound interest can increase your wealth. Next on, Mr. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world and also top 7 richest people in the world. Warren Buffett is the best example. Let's see here. He spent 56 years to get $1.4 billion net worth. But he just used 27 years and he able to increase up to $58.5 billion from $1.4 billion. Because of what? Because of compound interest. His biggest increment of net worth is at later stage. This is why patient and long-term view is very important. Let's say you reinvest your earning. Let the compound interest do the work. Take out your income or interest from your account and spend it may be very nice. However, reinvesting the income is a smarter way to increase the compound interest return. By using your income to increase investment, you can expand your investment base. Remember, when you have a large amount of investment, your compound return are higher. When time passing by, it will seriously add on. Compounding is able to let anyone build huge wealth, by the way. But what you really need is to be patient. With the time being, compound interest not really help much. Make full use of it very simple. First one, invest early and wait. And the last, use it, invest again. My friend, I repeat again. Invest early, wait, and use it again. Life is a battle with yourself. Some people might say life is a competition, and some people may disagree. No one is wrong. Life is a competition, but you only need to compete with the yesterday of yourself. Do not compare yourself to other people. Just do what you do to make yourself happy. Everyone having struggle in life. It is life experience. You can think how boring life would be if without challenges, because we would not never grow up and learn more things. Without going through this hard time, we will simply walk around and with just feeling of meaningless and boring. Everyone, please focus and please focus. You need to focus and pay attention now. You need to accept what is happening and move on. Do not think about the past and what will happen in the future. Think about right now. We stand in front of wealth. Just need to become Dahua investors. My friend, this is a great moment and also a lifetime memorable moment which you will never forget in your life. Maybe God of Lord Ganesh bring us here. Maybe this is the destiny. Destiny let us meet here. Let us, Dahua Asset Management, meet all of you in this wonderful moment. The chances of become rich is in front of you. So you listen to me and listen well. Are you behind on your credit card bill? Good. Join us, Dahua. Do you need money for the problem that caused by COVID-19? Good. Approach our Dahua assistant. Do you want to become your own boss? Good. Join Dahua. All you have to do today is join Dahua and use the method I taught you. And I will let all of you become richer than most powerful bosses in India. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to open our members account. Next on, go to this website link. For my friend that have smartphone, you can use your smartphone, type this link and try to log in, follow our step one by one. Next, after you enter the link, you're able to go to this page. You can set the language and click register. Next on, then go to next page. You will come to this page. When you come to this page, you can enter the user name you want to put and put the password from 8 until 30 digit and remember, you need to contain letter from that. After that, you can fill the accordingly detail from here. And then you click register. Next, after you click register, you will go to this page. You may click sign in from here using the exact same username and password. After that, you will come to this page. Then you can click add account from there, and you can double check, see whether your trading platform is MetaTrader 4, MT4, and your identity is follower. And then you click next. After that, you will come to this page. And then you may enter your account number of your MT4 and the password. For this, you may approach to our assistant to get your account number and password. After that, then you click confirm. It will show this column to you. Submitted successful for binding. Next on, you will go to this page. You may click on the strategy squad to select which team you want to join. You can see from here, like what I explained before. Here have Mr. Rainbow team, Mr. Philip Wah team, Mr. Lion team, and the last Mr. Tony Cheng team. you may click the red column here. And the next, after that, you can come to this page. You check the agreement, see whether the subscription is successful or not. Next on, I'm gonna show you how to deposit US dollar to your account. At the first, you go to this website, rossiglobal.com. After that, you click the member login, which you already registered a while ago. And then the next one, let's come to the login page. You just fill in your email and the password and click login. After that, you may come to this page. You can see here having your funding overview. You can see the wallet currency, the total amount of your wallet, and the amount you can withdraw in your wallet. Beside that, you also have a few other options you can take a look. Okay. Next on is going to this deposit page. You can enter your deposit amount at here. And then you click confirm payment at here. After that, this will show the precaution of the deposit. Then these are all the precaution of the deposit. I'm not going to read it all. If you want to take a look more, you may approach to our assistant. Next on, I'm gonna share to you how to do withdrawal. Same. Enter this website link, then click member login. After that, it will go to the same page, which to fill in your email address and password. Same, you click login again. Next on, you will come to this page and find the withdrawal column. And you click withdrawal. After you click the withdrawal, you will come to this page. So you can add you can do a few ways of withdrawal. You can return back to your bank account, or you can do a wire transfer, or even you can put in your cryptocurrency. After that, you decide where you want to put. Let's give an example. Right now, you want to go back to the local bank. So you click add card right here. After that, it will show the withdrawal precaution. And the most importantly, if the withdrawal is failed, the funds will return to the account. So no need worry about it. For all these precautions, you may approach our assistant for further information. Okay, today I will end up here. So thank you for all of you, and please wash your hand often due to this epidemic. When you go out, please wear your mask and keep your hand clean. I think I will end here. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye and God bless. Bye-bye.